Today, I'm excited to share with you my secret remedy for summers. Subscribe! I've found 10 natural products that work wonders for my skin and hair. So, let's dive right in. First step, we have aloe vera. This magical plant has been a lifesaver for me during the hot summer months. It to create a face mist and a facial massage oil, both of which have been a game changer for my skin. The face mist is perfect for those scorching hot days when your skin feels parched. It's super refreshing and helps to keep your skin hydrated. The facial massage oil, on the other hand, is a great way to give your skin some much needed. Quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. I've been using these 2 products religiously throughout the summer, and I can't recommend them enough. They've helped me achieve that glowy, healthy look that we all crave during the warmer months. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. Until next time, stay hydrated and take care of your skin.